The Forex Megadroid consists of an installation kit with a detailed user manual. The kit is driven by the market's most evaluated and trusted reverse correlated time and price tag evaluation RCTPA technology. The shipment is fast and dependable. I got my shipment with the safest packing I could ever imagine. The instructions manual tells you how to install and configure in easy steps. The specifications give you a clear picture of the hardware, software, and internet requirements. You can install and start working within a few minutes. Pros: works with multiple Forex trading parameters, accurate analysis and forecast, huge Forex database, timing sensor for perfect trade execution, RCTPA for multi-trading platforms, works in stealth mode, real-time data gathering from markets, easy to install and simple to work. Tried and tested by trading experts and specialists. Cons: coverage of global currencies is limited in the present edition. Conclusion: Forex Megadroid is a great system to start out in the world of robot trading. It has a low volatility rating and as such can be easier to let do its thing. This allows for the trader to capture the long-term results that the designers have achieved. Add to that the fact that it only trades euros United States dollar, it is easier to keep an eye on as the world's events may justify from time to time. We found that in our testing, that Forex Megadroid was a steady gainer and was very reliable. Most drawdown periods were minimal at best. One feature we found particularly innovative is the ability to change the unique ID settings to escape detection from your broker. This decreases the likelihood that your broker will ban your account or worse yet, stop hunt your Forex Megadroid robot through shady spread manipulation. Forex Megadroid has a 60-day money-back guarantee backed by ClickBank. Because of this, you can feel secure in purchasing Forex Megadroid, as it is both a solid conservative system and a guaranteed one. For your money, Forex Megadroid is a great place to start with your robot trading career.